How to format Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. Today we will learn how to make Windows 11 factory reset or factory like. For that, you have to first open your settings. Then you have to click on this option called as Windows Update. Once that is done, scroll down a bit and you will see Advanced option. Click on it. Hereby, if you scroll down, you will see Recovery. Click on it. Here, the first option is Reset this PC. Tap on the option and you will see two options. One is keep your files or remove everything. If you want to store your files, you have to click the first option, after which the reset will start. Also, you will get some additional settings such as how to download your files or how to store your files. Make sure to click on next on every option. And just by that, you have formatted your Windows 11. So this is it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.